subscribe my YouTube channel Majestic Nisarg and also click the bell button for more updates and quick notifications. Hey guys, it's Majestic Nisarg. Today I'm going to show you snow fire experiment. So you can see this pros, but this party snows. Be careful when parties are getting a big drawn on the success, or you all gonna die in a party now. Why? Keep it away from fire, because what happens, well, I'll show you today. Look at it's like beautiful, you guys. Now let's put the foam party and birthday party foam and whatever its name is. I'm scared. So guys, first you shake it. Crazy storm, Mama, Missy. Now I burn this. But no, my species family. Now you light it on fire. And this is what happens. No, species, I can't let you die. No, get me. Let's get to that. Oh yeah, 3D movie theater. For now, get it on Majestic Nisarg. Go and in his house to watch the movies. Beautiful plane. No, do something to let it. Not working. You have to die then. Wow, mixing again. So be careful. This is dangerous. Just warning you, this can burn you alive. Be careful. Please don't do this at your home. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell button. Next time I will show you more interesting things. Bye.